Hey everyone, look at this little guy right here. Is this the cutest fish you've ever seen or what? This adorable spotted pufferfish just swam right up to the camera like he wants to say hello. But don't let that cute face fool you. This tiny balloonfish has one of the most incredible survival tricks in the entire ocean. Today we're diving deep into the world of pufferfish. You're about to discover why they're not just super cute, but also one of the most fascinating creatures in the sea. Stick around to the end because you're not going to believe some of these facts. Right now you're watching a beautiful spotted pufferfish, probably from the Indo-Pacific region. Look at those big, curious eyes, that tiny mouth, and those white spots all over his body. It's like nature designed the perfect underwater teddy bear. Pufferfish, also known as blowfish or balloonfish, come in over 120 different species. Some are tiny, like this one. Others can grow up to 3 feet long. But no matter the size, they all share one thing in common. They are ridiculously adorable and secretly pretty tough. Let's start with the basics. Where do they live? Most pufferfish live in tropical and subtropical oceans around coral reefs. But some species actually live in freshwater rivers in Africa, South America, and Asia. They're not the fastest swimmers in the ocean. In fact, they're pretty clumsy. That's why they developed their famous superpower. Pufferfish have very elastic stomachs. When they feel threatened, they quickly gulp in huge amounts of water, or sometimes even air, and blow themselves up into a big round ball. In just a few seconds, they can become 2 to 3 times bigger. Imagine trying to swallow a spiky water balloon. Most predators give up immediately, but puffing up is only their first line of defense. Pufferfish are also one of the most poisonous vertebrates in the world. They contain a powerful toxin called toxin, the same toxin found in blue-ringed octopuses. One pufferfish has enough toxin to kill up to 30 adult humans. That's why in Japan, the famous dish called fugu is extremely dangerous. Only specially licensed chefs are allowed to prepare it, because one small mistake can be fatal. But here's the crazy part. Even though they're toxic, some predators like certain sharks and sea snakes have evolved to eat them anyway. Nature never stops surprising us. Now, let's talk about why we all can't stop watching them. Those big eyes, that funny way they swim, and how they sometimes look like they're smiling at you, it's pure cuteness overload. Many people who keep pufferfish in aquariums say they actually recognize their owners and become quite tame. Some species are even described as playful and curious. They have a strong beak-like mouth made of fused teeth that can crush shells and crabs. So even though they look innocent, they're actually pretty smart hunters. Here's some quick fun facts. The smallest pufferfish is only about 1 inch long. It can change color to communicate or camouflage. Baby pufferfish are insanely cute. They look like tiny floating dots. When they inflate, their skin stretches thanks to special elastic fibers. Unfortunately, many pufferfish species are threatened by pollution, coral reef destruction, and We need to protect these adorable ocean friends and their habitats. So, what do you think? Is this the most adorable fish in the ocean? Drop your answer in the comments. Which sea creature do you think is cuter, pufferfish or something else? If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future underwater adventures. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and don't forget to stay adorable like this little pufferfish.